Masood Kamal, Pro-Vice Chancellor, Academic of Dhaka University, Professor Dr. M.D. Gholam Samdani Fakir, Vice Chancellor of Green University of Bangladesh, Professor Dr. M.D. Abdul Razzaq, Pro-Vice Chancellor of Green University, distinguished guests, keynote speakers, authors, academicians, researchers, industry personnel, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah, namaskar, very good morning to all of you. I am delighted to join this ostentatious inaugural ceremony of the second International Conference on Sustainable Technology for Industry 4.0, STI 2020. I am happy to see so many academicians, industry experts, researchers from home and abroad joining this conference. Thank you, Green University, for organizing such kind of timely and necessary initiative for the second time. Ladies and gentlemen, the sustainable development of a country is possible only by educational development with economic liberalization. I want to believe that under the umbrella of STI 2020, educationists, researchers, industry professionals, and practitioners are going to display their scientific achievements and sustainable innovative industrial developments, which will be the great source of knowledge and learning. As I'm informed, one of the main purposes of this conference is to face the challenges of the fourth industrial revolution, making bridge between the industry and academia. It opens up an avenue for discussion on the research findings and sharing regarding the design and implementation issues and challenges of sustainable technologies. Those will be worked as driving forces in the new era. Ladies and gentlemen, education enhances and ensures quality of life. Education enlightens human beings morally, socially, and spiritually. While educated, skilled, and competent manpower is a prerequisite to achieve national and global success in the 21st century. Thus, students need to think about the secret of success. They should think critically and they have to think outside the box. In this regard, I'd like to think critically and they have to think outside the box. In this regard, I'd like to quote Martin Luther King Jr., who said the function of education is to teach one thing intensively and to think critically. Intelligence plus character, that is the goal of true education. Therefore, it is important to put emphasis on the true and humanistic dimension of education, which will result in enabling such individual to appreciate and identify the entity and individuality of the self and of the others to the journey towards excellence. Dear audience, the fourth industrial revolution is a challenge for us. For the revolution, many traditional jobs will be disappeared, but new doors of opportunity will be opened in the job field. We want to turn the challenge into possibility through adoption of modern technologies in education system. The government of Bangladesh has taken various initiatives, including improving technical education. We are trying to move forward as per the ideas of the father of the nation and his plans for education, which included offering opportunities for the study of various subjects. We are promoting knowledge-based education to develop skilled human resource, to turn Bangladesh into a middle-income country. Education without skill will create a burden for the family as well as the nation. To maximize the benefit of using ICT in a classroom, we need a bunch of trained, motivated, and technology-friendly teachers who will make the whole process effective and successful. Ladies and gentlemen, there is no alternative to achieving sustainable technology for ensuring decent lives to the millions of people in this world. This national report provides outlines of progresses, remaining challenges, priorities, and future directions, including strategies, policies, and actions for sustainable development goals to be achieved. Bangladesh will continue to meet the challenges of creating a favorable social, economic, and environmental condition that will support the overall sustainability of the nation. Resource limitation is a major hindrance towards meeting the challenges. At the last, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to the Faculty of Science Engineering, Green University of Bangladesh, and extend my thanks to the academic leaders of Green University for their tremendous effort in arranging and facilitating such kind of worthy conference. I wish the 2020 second International Conference on Sustainable Technologies for Industry 4.0 of Green University of Bangladesh a distinguished success. I thank you all. Joy Bangla, Joy Bangabandhu. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you very much, sir, to conveying us the message. Now, I would like to request Professor Dr. Ghulam Samdani Fakir, patron of STI 2020 and